Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use iPhone back camera for selfie. Using your iPhone's back camera for selfies can give you much sharper and higher quality photos than the front camera. Since the rear camera has better lenses and sensors, your pictures usually look clearer and more detailed. With a few simple tricks and built-in iPhone features, you can comfortably take selfies using the back camera even without seeing the screen directly. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the camera app. Tap the camera switch icon until the back camera is active. Hold the iPhone with the screen facing away from you. Use the main rear lens for the best image quality. Stand in a well-lit area, preferably facing natural light. Then open the control center by swiping from the top right corner and increase the screen brightness if needed before turning the phone around. Use the volume up button as the shutter button for easier handling. Position the phone slightly above the eye level for a flattering angle. Estimate your framing by centering your face based on the phone's position. Turn on the camera grid in settings. Camera, then toggle on the grid to help align your shot. Use portrait mode if you want a blurred background effect, and enable the timer option for 3 or 10 seconds to give yourself time to pose steadily. Then take several shots with small angle adjustments to improve your chances for getting the perfect selfie. Then review the photos afterward and retake any images that needed better framing or lighting. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.